In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable FaceTime on your iPhone if it's not working. If you're having trouble, don't worry. We'll walk through exactly what you need to do to get it up and running in no time. To kick things off, let's make sure your FaceTime settings are in order. Grab your iPhone and head to the Settings app. Once there, look for the section labeled Apps and tap on FaceTime. This is where we'll check if FaceTime is even set to be active on your device. Now that you're in the FaceTime settings, check to see if the toggle switch is turned on. Sometimes it might be accidentally switched off, and just flipping it back on could solve the problem right there. Next, you want to be sure you're signed into FaceTime with your Apple ID. It might sound basic, but having your correct Apple ID logged in is crucial for FaceTime to work properly. This can be easily done in the same FaceTime settings page where you checked the toggle switch. Just make sure you're using the account you intend to use for video calls. Moving on, let's check your device's date and time settings. A misconfigured date or time can sometimes interfere with FaceTime. So, go back to the main settings menu, navigate to General and then select Date and Time. Here you want to make sure the option Set Automatically is turned on. This ensures your iPhone sets the correct date and time by itself, which is especially handy if you're traveling or living in a location with a history of power outages or time zone changes. For the next step, it's time to restart your iPhone. Restarting your device is a quick and simple solution that can resolve a plethora of minor glitches and issues. Power it off, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on again to do a classic reset. If your FaceTime still isn't functioning correctly, it might be time to update your iOS software. Software updates often come with important bug fixes and improvements that could address the issues blocking FaceTime. Again, go into your settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, make sure to install it. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you might want to reset your network settings. Please note, doing this will reset Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure you have those handy before proceeding. Navigate to Settings, then General, and scroll to Reset. Here, select Reset Network Settings. This will reboot all of your saved network settings and might just be the key to getting FaceTime back on track. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting FaceTime enabled and running smoothly on your iPhone. Hopefully these steps helped resolve any issues you were facing. Thank you for watching and good luck with your FaceTime calls.